Welcome back to my channel with Sudeshna. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you about blue ocean strategy. Already I made a video about blue ocean versus red ocean. If you have not watched it, you can go and watch the video. I will mention the link in the I icon. So what difference is from that video to this video is in that video I have mostly discussed what is the difference between red ocean and blue ocean, and I have given example of I think Decathlon. I have given the example and a few other example, but in this video I'm going to discuss a more detail about blue ocean strategy. What is the basic of blue ocean, and then how you can create a blue ocean for your business. So that's going to be very interesting, and if you have any question you can ask and watch till end. Hope I will add value so that you can learn something new and you can implement something in your business. So from my mind map, we can see that the first question I'm going to answer is what is blue ocean strategy. I think some of you or most of you maybe already heard that term blue ocean strategy. That is a terminology called that is a terminology. Actually, it's a book. Author W. Chan Kim, Professor W. Chan Kim, and Renee Mauborgne. They are actually they have first written the book of blue ocean strategy, and then blue ocean shift. Those are the bestseller book. But I have also read many of the papers which are written in this blue ocean strategy, and I personally believe that blue ocean strategy is the solution to help business owners to grow their business in an uncontested market. So if you have a business already, then also you can create a blue ocean. If you don't have a business and you want to launch your business, then definitely you can launch something which is very unique, which directly you can start your business from the blue oceans by implementing the blue ocean strategy. So why it is important now to think about blue ocean strategy? Because you can also feel day by day competitions are going are increasing, because world is now open, like the whole world is a one market. And because suppose the retail market, you see, because of Amazon, Flipkart, all those small business owners, they are facing problem, because whenever in any industry, any sector, one very big player comes into, the small player actually they don't have any potential to earn profit. So this is the problem because of globalization. Maybe as a customer, customers are obviously getting much better product at a lower cost. But what about the other end? What about the supplier, the business owners who are into business? They are actually getting getting into losses. Or maybe you can say lesser profit. They have to sell their product with a lesser profit. So I believe that if you want to actually create more profit, as a paper, so as mentioned in their book also, Blue Ocean Strategy, the author they mentioned that they actually surveyed 108 companies, where they found that suppose 86% businesses who are into red ocean, they actually are responsible for 60%, 62% to be precise, 62% of the revenue and only 40% of the profit. And whereas the other 20%, it's kind of similar to 80-20. So though the number is not exactly 80-20, but you can show that only 14% of the companies in their 108 companies, in their sample size of 108 companies, only 14% of the company, they implemented Blue Ocean strategy, and they are responsible for 40% of the total revenue. And to be surprised, the reason to be more surprised is 60% of their profit. So this Blue Ocean strategy has the power to generate immense amount of profit. Why so? That is what I am going to discuss in today's video. So what are the features of Blue Ocean? So from my mind map, you can see that also in the other video I mentioned that as Blue Ocean, from the name also you can little bit you can guess that ocean will not have any competition. So it's very difficult to understand that how in this today's era there will not be any competition. But when you see the companies, when I will be referring the companies, you will also understand that though there were many competition for the same product, but how uniquely they launched their business and create a Blue Ocean, and then they didn't have any competition either for a long time, or still they don't have any competition. So no competition is the first feature. Second is unique positioning. Obviously not as they don't have any competition, the reason for that actually is their unique position. So they don't serve everyone. That is one of the main feature of Blue Ocean. So they always actually serve a niche market. So that is another feature. So third is they, as a Blue Ocean strategy implementer, you need not to bother about that cost value cost trade-off. So generally in industry, in Red Ocean, I mean company who follow Red Ocean, I'm not telling that following Red Ocean is big no. It's not possible. Obviously, I mean the 80% companies will follow the Red Ocean, and that has to be there. I mean not every company will have a Blue Ocean strategy, but that Red Ocean businesses, they have to follow this cost and value trade-off. So if you have to in my last video also I discussed about productivity frontier. That is the same thing, that if you want to give a more value to your customer, your cost will increase, and then you have to price your product accordingly. So that is the trade-off. But for Blue Ocean, as you don't have any competition, you can give the maximum value to your customer, and you can price that product accordingly. So there is no competition. So customer, if they are getting value and they are not getting any benchmarking with whom they can compare, so they will be ready to pay you. So that is another advantage. The next advantage is value innovation. What is value innovation? So innovation, you must have heard that in today's era you have to have innovation in your business, otherwise it's very difficult to sustain in a longer run. But what is again value? Value also, you know that as a business person, you are actually adding value to your customer's life through your product or service, or maybe both. But as per Blue Ocean strategy, it is said that you have to give value and innovation both. One part is not sufficient, and if you want to give both, you have to implement Blue Ocean strategy. So that is another features of Blue Ocean. The last but not the least is create entry barrier. So as you are unique, as you are following a proper strategy to get that unique positioning, it is very difficult for any new player to copy you. It is very difficult for the existing player to copy your strategy, because your product is unique and your position is also unique. So I will give you example again for the Southwest Airline. Again, who doesn't know about Southwest Airline? It is a US airline who actually implemented only they target only a separate type of customer who travel only domestic short distance, and who actually are they actually are interested more on lower price. So they don't want free meal, they don't want high baggage capacity. They actually generally, mostly in India also, there will be a lot of people who actually want cheaper air ticket price. So Indigo like to some extent copied Southwest Airlines strategy, and you know that Indigo is the airline industry in India which is successful, and most of the other companies are bleeding. So similar kind of thing, that they actually implemented all those things, and they have implemented Blue Ocean strategy, and that is the reason they don't have any competition. Their positioning is unique. They give value which is very important for customer. That's why their price they can so that is the reason they can keep their their ticket pricing accordingly. So they created the entry barrier, because when Continental Airline, that's a kind of airline which you can say in India, if you just compare, that's the other suppose Air India or maybe SpiceJet or maybe the other companies, which actually in India Kingfisher actually tried to copy this strategy, and they failed. I mean, you know that. So in US also, Continental Airlines actually tried to copy this strategy, this Blue Ocean strategy of Southwest Airline, but Continental Airline was an airline who is to offer long route service also along with this short route. So they wanted to implement everything. They wanted to serve everyone. So as I mentioned in my last video, that as a good strategist, you have to have trade-off. If you have not watched that video of what is strategy and this thing, how you can implement a good strategy, the link will be mentioned at the end screen. You watch this video till the end, and then you go to that video, and I think it will add some value to your business or maybe life. So that is the way when Continental Airlines tried to copy Southwest strategy but failed. So that is the that is the importance of having a blue ocean strategy. The next point is how to create blue ocean for your business. So if you have understood what is blue ocean, then you might understand that what needs to be done to create a blue ocean strategy. The very first point is eliminate factor which no longer needed. So again, I'm giving the same example. Southwest Airlines, they actually identified that customer the customer they want to serve, they actually value the price of the ticket. Other than that, they don't value the other thing, at least value much. So they eliminated all the thing. They don't provide food, they don't they actually reduce the waiting time, they reduce they booked online ticket, they don't give any preference for window seat and those things, those are extra chargeable. So they only provide similar fleet, so that all their ground staff and all the staff, they are very known to the internal and the operational aspect, the maintenance aspect. Also they get a benefit from supplier also having the same fleet. Also they scale their business very quickly, so they have a negotiating power with their supplier. So all those strategies they implemented from a single thing, that what customer didn't value. So it's very important to understand what your customer don't value. So as a customer also, if you want to just feel that whatever you are buying a product, just giving an example, mobile. Nowadays mobiles are coming with so many features. How many you are using actually? I think 10%. But you are spending your money for this other 90% of the feature which you are actually not using. So that is the thing. You have to eliminate what your customers are not valuing. The next point is raise factors that compromise customers has to make. So you have to raise the thing that you have to decide. So Southwest Airlines actually raised the factor that if you want to have a lower ticket, then you maybe you bring your own food. The way now also airline industry in India, also many airlines, especially Indigo, they implemented that thing that you can bring your own food. There will not be any free meal. So that kind of thing. So you have to tell customers that if you are valuing this, then these things will not be given and you will get the best price. And your customer actually, because they value that thing, the low price mostly, they are not bothered. They can bring their food. They can maybe if for some customer the luggage is more than suppose x kg, whatever Southwest provide, they are ready to pay that amount, because most of the time for their journey their baggage is not maybe that more than that weight. So those things you have to convey the message. And the third thing is add value. So you have to add value from the existing product. And as you are only catering, your positioning is unique, you can add immense value which actually your customer value. So those are the things. In this line I will give more and more videos. If you are interested to launch your business with Blue Ocean strategy, you can send me a mail. My email ID is mentioned in the description box and I would be happy to help you. I will be giving you a free one-to-one for 30 minutes. For the first few people only I will be giving free, otherwise I will be starting charging. But initial few customer I would be happy to help. I also want you to understand how you can get your Blue Ocean. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching till end. Bye bye.